Welcome to the Tell Me More Now channel. The power of guided meditation. Meditation has become a popular tool to de-stress and relax. Worldwide, it's believed that up to 500 million people meditate regularly. It's an excellent spiritual development tool, and it can help improve your quality of life. Believe it or not, there are plenty of benefits associated with guided meditation, if done properly. 1. Meditation is effortless enjoyment. There is no real skill involved with meditation. It's literally something that anyone can do, and it can be done anywhere, at any time. Certainly, there are different levels to meditation, but you don't need to be a master to enjoy the benefits. A guided meditation is easier than traditional meditation because the latter requires a lot of focus. The latter depends on your ability to keep your mind clear and focused on your breath. Many people find that challenging, which is why the guided option is a useful alternative, especially if you're just getting started. A guided meditation is a step-by-step guide. You enjoy tranquil music while a soothing voice guides you through your meditation journey. It often harnesses the power of your imagination, and as such, it improves your ability to visualize. For this reason, many find guided meditation more powerful than other types of meditation. Visualization is a mental imagery tool that can positively influence your life. Many industries employ visualization to improve performance, from professional athletes to religion and self-improvement. It's about imaging positive experiences and painting them in vivid strokes to make them feel like reality. That way, when the reality unfolds, you improve your chances of success. When you are in a state of relaxation during guided meditation, your visualizations become more vivid. And, as you immerse yourself in this vivid visualization, you start to feel the spiritual, emotional, physical, and mental benefits immediately. Everyone has different needs, and people pursue guided meditation for a variety of reasons. You may want to improve your clarity, develop spiritually, experience freedom, heal physically or emotionally, enhance creativity, or enjoy a state of deep relaxation. Additionally, many people use it to increase confidence, heal relationships, open their hearts and minds, improve performance, beat self-defeating behaviors, and overcome psychological difficulties. The benefits of guided meditation. 1. Guided meditation can help you achieve a deep state of inner peace. 2. Guided meditation can help you clear your mind of unwanted, unhelpful thoughts. 3. It can help you replace negative thoughts with vivid visualizations to effect positive change in your life. 4. Guided meditation can help you connect with yourself on a deeper level. Studies suggest that meditation can improve concentration, attention, help reduce addiction issues, relieve anxiety and depression, and slows down the brain's aging. Getting started. There are many free resources online if you wish to pursue guided meditation for yourself. Of course, you could also find a script online, record yourself, and use it as a starter guided meditation. Whatever you choose, be sure to maintain it consistently. To get started, set time aside for one guided meditation daily. Give it a shot for the next month and see how it impacts every facet of your life.